currently I have a B-1, B-2 visa. Is it possible when the trial ban is lifted to get married in the USA? You know, there's issues involved with what your plan is. Depending on what country you're from, I don't know what country you're from, so it might not be a trial ban with the B-1, B-2 could fly in. And you can get married in the United States. They may, okay, let me break it down. So you're not allowed to come to the United States with a tourist visa with the intent to apply for a green card here. Tourist visa is saying, I'm gonna come to US temporarily, and I don't plan on staying there, I'm just gonna come and go. Now, if you do, you can get married. You technically can get married in the United States on a tourist visa, but you always have the risk at the airport when you enter and they find out you're trying to get married, that they'll be afraid you're coming to stay, not actually being a tourist, you're coming here to stay, and they could kick you out, send you back home, or even give you a 10-year ban or multi-year ban or something like that. So it's a very risky thing to do. I don't recommend it. But if you do come on a tourist visa to get married, that's fine. If something happens where you're forced to stay against your original intention, it may be okay too. But you should really just consult with an attorney to plan that out to make sure it's not something illegal that you're doing that's going to be problematic or misrepresentation or fraud that could cause a lifetime ban in the United States. That stuff does happen. You have to be very cautious and not to do something or misuse or abuse a visa that was given to you. So be very careful of that stuff. We got to analyze to see what you said when you got your tourist visa, where you're from, what your plans are. There's a lot of analysis that have to happen. But you could come here, get married, leave, and then just wait for the green card. There's some issues with that. Some embassies I've seen have problems with that too. So you have to pre-plan it. Maybe contact the port authority at the airport. Let them know you're coming to get married and that you're going to leave, so it doesn't look like you're lying. And the embassy later doesn't accuse you of misrepresentation at the border. So there's a lot of nuanced stuff that happens. It seems easy, but I've just seen some disasters happen. So that's why I just be cautious and talk with a good lawyer. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please click subscribe down here and ring that bell to get the latest updates. Also, please follow us at the links above on these various social media sites to catch the latest information, live videos, and more to help you be updated on U.S. immigration.